Everybody, it's Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz E-Class E300 4MATIC. Today's vehicle for sale has a black exterior with a black interior. Dark wood grain trim, sunroof, blind spot assist, .4MATIC, Mercedes-Benz and E300 badging, and a power opening and closing trunk. Another look at that dark wood trim. And this vehicle is also equipped with the premium Burmester sound system. Rear seats. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. This vehicle is equipped with both driver and passenger side memory seats, as well as heated seats. You can see the controls here. Another one of the Burmester speakers. Door controls. Driver seat. Steering wheel. Mileage on this vehicle is currently at 34,958. We do have a push button ignition. And here's the Mercedes-Benz display. You can see our navigation system here. Backup camera. And radio. Below that is our climate control. As well as buttons to access navigation, radio, and so on. You'll notice this vehicle also has the fully customizable LED ambient lighting. See, it's currently set to a multi-zone mode, so you can see different lights down there in the footwells and the door handles, and then different lights across the dash. Fully customizable, ton of fun. And here we have cup holder, and then the command center to make adjustments on the display. Here's your dynamic control to switch between sport mode, eco, comfort, and so on. And volume and power controls for the display as well. So have center console storage. Now if you'd like to see any photos or get any additional information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.